and welcome to SULKNATIONtv. In this episode, well, what are we doing in this episode, Ed? Because it's an Fn2 episode.
Fn2 video! We are fitting LED sequential indicators. Woo! I had to memorise that.
So yeah, we've already done one side just to see how difficult it was, and shut up seagulls. But anyway, we've already fitted one side because we wanted to make sure the test fit went well, and it did, didn't it?
Oh, superb.
I mean, Ed's going to redo and replay his emotions with the second side when it's completed. Yeah. So yeah, let's crack on with it.
Go for it. Come on. We've done one side, haven't we?
Yeah. So just talk us through what you need to do initially.
What I've done?
Stop laughing and then start again.
What I've done on the inside is I've turned these up to the highest they can go. This is the trickiest bit for the camera. What you need to do is probably get two hands like that and pop it off. It's always a bit dodgy. Oh!
And can you just say pop it off again, Ed? Because I like to
pop it off. No,
in your normal voice.
Pop it off.
Ooh. So you pop the glass off.
Yeah, pop the glass off. Try not to break it. Cut all your hands.
I mean, Ed does have, as we've discussed in videos before, subtle biceps.
Yeah.
So like you just look at his arms and you think, oh, relatively normal, and then suddenly these beasts just come out of nowhere. A clip to undo in here, and another one just here. So let me just see if I can get a better close up. No, not with this tripod. So just take our words for it.
Yeah. There might be one in there, mate, but I think it's gone.
I think there's two, as far as I can see.
Right, get your little doily. There you go.
So we want to pop that in like that, and then
this should just pop off, mate.
Yeah, I've lifted the top one.
God.
And let me lift this side one again, because you're going for the side. Oh.
No.
Why isn't it coming off?
Oh, I can rip the whole thing off.
Hang on.
That's it. Yes! No.
There you go.
No, mate.
How's that not coming off?
Is there one on the
So, sometime later, we have removed, via these two clips, we've removed the wing mirror cover. So we just need to take off the, let's say, the socket, where the electric goes into the actual.
Try not to break the bloody wires.
There we go.
There we go.
And then all we've got, here we go. We've got a nice, really knackered, cracked indicator
and crap wing mirror.
Yeah, we're repainting those.
Yeah.
You've got 3 Torx 20 screws, which I'm gonna take apart now.
Brilliant.
I might as well leave it for
Alex, you're doing the work tonight. I'm impressed.
Say it when you're behind the camera.
You're Mr. Trim Man, though. Not weight, but
I'm getting there.
I'm going.
What's the view like there?
Brilliant. I'm going running this week.
Can you see?
Yeah, perfect, mate.
So as they'd say in Germany, ein,
zwei.
So I'm doing this awkwardly on the camera because it's on camera.
Yeah. Bring it up a little bit. There you go. That's a good shot. If anyone hasn't talked anything before, there you go. If we can do this, guys, anyone can do this.
Dry.
Oh.
Here we are.
But it's not dry, Alex. It's actually raining, isn't it?
Yes, it is raining a little bit.
When we're doing electronics in the rain.
It's a wing mirror, so it's
skunking. Ooh.
Right, so this is, you just push this bit out, and that's the rubbish one gone. So
yeah, and that's cracked, isn't it?
Crap. Let's get it. Let's get rid of it. Let's get the fresh one. Go on, Ed. Go and get the fresh one. Cool. So we've got. This is the new one. It's very nice. And Ed, do you want to go through who's made it?
Chap off Facebook, mate, called Kirk Lishman. Really nice chap. He offers a service where these were 70 quid. And if your indicators aren't cracked, like both of mine are, send them back to him. He'll give you 20 back. So they're actually 50 quid. What else he can offer as well, if you've got non-cracked ones currently, you can send him your own ones and just tape up your wing mirror for 45 quid. We'll leave his details below, guys. Really hit him up. He's been in the industry a long time now, 16 plus years. He does a lot of sort of headlight work on the Fn2s as well, and rear brake lights. And he's got a really nice one where with the fog lights as well, it's all like neon. It looks absolutely sick. So I might hit him up on that. I think he can do a couple of indicators for your car as well, Al, as well. So yeah, really, guys, give him a like. We've got his email.
Can actually mod my Accord.
He can mod your Accord.
Wow.
His email details will be below. Really give him a hit up, guys. He's a sound bloke.
Honda?
I think he
anything?
I think he can do anything. Like I was looking at his description. Like there's BMWs there, Audis. But yeah, anything for your FN2. Likewise, like the rear brake light ones look amazing. So I might hit him up on that. But yeah, just a sound bloke. So cool. And he's independent as well. So it's nice to support little independent people, isn't it?
Well, there you go. Look how nice that looks.
Woo!
It's that simple. It's that simple to get it in there. 3 screws, Torx 20s, and then it's a case of plugging it back in, like I'm going to do now. So
give it a bit of force, because I did on the other one. It was quite solid. There you go.
You just push it on, and then
put them back on. Line them all up.
Like so. So you need to push that there like that. And then just gently clip him back in. We don't want to, oh, we've underclipped, so part of the trim has decided not to come out. So that's annoying.
Oh.
It's alright, it's
break it, you pay for it, mate. This is a high quality of a hair car.
Right, so that's him.
Perfect. And I'll just put the mirror on. I can do it one-handed, he says. And then yeah, just guys like that. There you go. I wouldn't whack it as hard as that, but there you go, and it's in.
And Ed's not going to be able to send these back.
I can't do anything with them, mate.
They are
cracked.
Shag.
But like I said, if they were perfect, send them back to Kirk. He'll give you 20 quid back. So yeah, they'd cost you 50
quid. If
quid.
they don't look like these, send them back.
Yeah.
If they do look like these, in
bin
the
them.
bin. Stick them in the bin.
I might keep them just in case.
Or keep them just in case.
Keep them just in case.
Ed's terrified.
Yeah, for some reason. So should we have a look at what they're going to look like?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, let's go. The mod I did in my previous ownership on the car. Ready for the money shot? Oh, look at that! Oh. Mate, that is amazing. I could stand here all day. Gonna need some new motors, aren't I, for these mirrors that I'm holding? Just gonna stand here. Was it like Homer Simpson? Mirror goes up. Mirror goes down. Bed goes up, bed goes down. Oh, yeah, mate, I am over the moon. They're amazing, aren't they? What a simple, cheap mod. Sets off the car. Now we just need to do those, just paint those wing mirrors.
Yep.
Don't we? Wow.
We'll be doing a painting special where I do some and Ed does some.
Brilliant, mate. Over the moon. Thanks, Kirk. Yeah. Captain Kirk.
Oh, God. So that's one of the easiest mods you can do to an FN2.
Yeah.
I mean, it took us...
Cheap as well, wasn't it?
When we got the cover off, I mean, literally 2 minutes, if that.
Yeah.
So 3 screws, you're sorted. And they look amazing. Perfect. So I'll stick up all of Kirk Lishman's details in the description. Yeah. So enjoy.
Thanks, Kirk.
But yeah, it's been a nice, simple video for once.
Yeah, love it, mate. Yeah,
no rusted bolts.
No rusted bolts.
No having to manipulate a muffler to fit an exhaust through the back of a bumper. Nice and easy. Yeah. So we hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, then please subscribe. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. And until the next time, I've been me, you've been you, Ed's been Ed, and well done for that.
Sequential.
Yeah, sequential.